Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, after a long time, Pakistan has displayed a very good bowling performance, but unfortunately, it was too little, too late, and batting once again not so much. Uh, Against their match in their match against South Africa. Well, South Africa has been brilliant in this whole World Cup, Cricket World Cup, and they just can't stop scoring 300 plus runs, except for against Pakistan, of course. Yesterday we were short by almost 30-40 runs. Uh, but the bowlers put on their whole effort, especially in the last overs. But we were a bit short. There was a very unlucky decision in the end as well. Had the umpire given it out, we would have won and we would have gained two very expensive, very precious 2 points. But we are not sore losers. Uh, अब तो आदत सी है हमको ऐसे इतने मैच हार गए हैं, इतनी मुश्किलें पड़ी कि आसान हो गई, बट स्टिल अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस दी बॉल के साथ. हारिस रऊफ का जो कैच था, वाओ, इट वाज सच अ मैग्निफिसेंट एफर्ट. I don't know, it was so different from the Pakistan team over last 4 matches. Matlab, they were missing so many chances, so many fielding chances. I still cannot believe how this team has came out in such a fashion for the World Cup, for playing a whole World Cup, you know. And they have proven that they are not exactly capable of playing 50 whole overs, especially the batting side. As a bowling side, yes, you can say that we were out of form, but now everyone is chipping in. We still lack a good quality spinner in our side. We cannot, and there is some lack of coordination as well. The whole field is set on the leg side, and bowler is bowling on the off side. If whole field is on the off side, bowler is starts to give wides and starts putting on the leg side. So again, but it was a very good match, very thrilling match. Went down to the wire. South Africa won by only 1 wicket, and that too thanks to a decision which went in umpire's call, which went in favor of South Africa. Well played, both of the teams. Let's hope for the best. Pakistan is potentially out of the tournament, but there are still more games to go. If we can win all of the remaining matches and end up in high, it will, be very reassuring and encouraging. I want my team to go into the final, but let's see what happens. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.